Welcome to something you should try. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, gadget fan, trendsetter, or simply someone who craves the experience of what's next, you've come to the right place. The struggle is real. Pump bottles can give you problems. Thick liquids take too long to empty. Make life easier with Flip It. No more pounding down, and make it easy to get every drop of the product you already paid for. Fits most standard plastic bottle sizes. It's so easy to use. Simply remove your bottle's cap or pump and choose the right size adapter and gaskets to fit your bottle. Then flip it and let gravity do the work. When you're done, just wash all of the parts and flip it over and over again. Flip is made of food-grade BPA-free plastic, so it's safe for the whole family. Why waste time? Why waste money when it's so easy to flip it? It's great for your wallet and for the environment. Squeeze out every last drop with the Flip It bottle emptying kit. You'll flip over Flip It. You know, there's something magical about the moment you take your favorite piece of jewelry, the one that holds all those memories, and watch it transform. Each smudge, each dull spot tells a story, but sometimes those stories need a little polish. That's where the Magnasonic Jewelry Cleaner comes in. Just a few minutes and it's like the piece is reborn. Using tap water, it creates 42,000 cycles of ultrasonic energy to penetrate every crevice of your jewelry, glasses, watches, utensils, and more. You can even add a touch of dish soap for extra cleaning power statement. With the large 20-ounce tank, this ultrasonic cleaner can run on 5 different cleaning cycles. From 90 seconds for a light clean to 480 seconds to penetrate the most stubborn dirt. It's just as simple as filling the tank and pressing a button. There's no simpler, more effective way to keep your jewelry looking professionally cleaned. For more information on any of these products, click the link in the description box and don't forget to hit subscribe.